Well, happy Valentine's and happy Love Month to the lovebirds out there. We are making dessert today, and it is chocolate brownies, gooey chocolate brownies. And for this, you are going to need about a quarter cup of flour. You're going to need 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of sugar. I know that's a lot of sugar. If you can't take that much, maybe just leave it to 1 cup, and then a quarter cup of butter, and then a quarter cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, for the taste, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Do stay tuned to see how this delicious recipe is going to turn out.